Hello, sweet soul. In this video, I'm so excited for you to learn about manifestation and talked about in a different way than you have ever before, where I'll share key insights that will transform your manifestation journey, as well as common myths around manifestation. This will just so support you in actually enjoying the human journey, the manifestation journey, so you can truly live your best life. And I know that sounds so cliche and so cheesy, but why would we not want to align and attune to our best life? What does that even mean? Our highest timeline, our truest expression of ourself, our most authentic expression of ourself as we navigate and move through this human journey. Now, to start us off, how I define manifesting is taking responsibility as a co-creator in your life, in your reality. There can be many different iterations and expressions of that, but what the word responsibility actually means is the ability to respond. So you're responding to life, to what life gifts you, gives you, throws at you, and you are owning your power as a co-creator. First common manifestation myth to pair with that definition is a lot of people think that when you're manifesting, you're controlling your reality. You're not controlling your world, your reality. You are influencing it. You are co-creating with life, but you're not controlling it. So I had someone ask me, I have all my positive thoughts and I'm in the high vibration, but then this challenge happened, this bad thing happened. What am I doing wrong? And I was like, the beautiful thing about your journey of life is you're going to be gifted challenges, initiations, that will support in growing your human to have the bandwidth and capacity to hold the very desire of your manifestation. What does that all mean? Initiations are opportunities, challenges, moments in time that may feel like is bringing you down, but the failure, the breakup, the ending, what is happening that your mind may label and deem as bad or a challenge, what actually happens when you overcome that breakup? When you got let go from your job and then you were open to actually the career path or the business that is actually in alignment with your heart's desires. So this is where you can start to even reflect back. This is a powerful activation. So I will always talk about manifestations and activations. You are here because so many people in this human journey are not really living life. You're going through the motions, kind of robotically off of subconscious programming and what societal norms are and what your parents said to do and the keeping up with the Joneses type thing. And you could even say, well, manifesting is keeping up with the Joneses. Not when you work with manifesting on a deep level. I'm not here for the surface level manifesting, where that's actually where I started my journey of like just visualizing and scripting. And I shouldn't say just, because they are very powerful practices in combination with the depth of manifesting. But if you're just looking for those quick hits of scripting and whatnot, that's totally fine. And you can start your journey there, but I'm here to really gift the depth, the sacredness of manifesting. And woo, the beautiful thing about the manifestation journey is it is like gateways and portals to activate parts of you that you may have turned off. Your gifts, your confidence, your trust, your self-belief, right? when you allow your desires to work with you and through you, and that's what I truly believe we're manifesting is our heart's desires. It's like they come with codes for you of what still needs to be shifted within you for them to manifest through you, for your human to have them and hold them. We don't want to immaturely have and hold the very desires on our heart because our human's not ready for it. It's almost like giving a baby a car. It's like you wouldn't give the baby the car because the baby still needs to learn how to crawl, walk, talk, run, learn the motor skills, and then get the car. Not only will I support in guiding the activation of your heart's desires, because how many of us have turned off our desires? And there's just dormant desires living within us because, again, limiting beliefs, or it's just like, that can't happen for me, or I have to live a realistic life. One of the most powerful things that came through was the universe starts with a U and an N. So you can live a realistic life, sure, or an unrealistic life with the support of the universe, UN. And universe can be this like big umbrella term that you can sub in God, spirit, source, higher self, right? I will kind of use the universe interchangeably, not to offend anybody, but just to have that as a universal word to encompass all the beautiful, divine connection outside of us. And not really outside of us because it's an extension through us, in us. We could really go off on that point. So stay with me here. Activating parts within you, activating your gifts, activating your highest timeline. Because what is your best life? Your highest timeline. Activating your highest level of self. But does your best life mean you're gonna control your reality in your world and that no challenges, initiations, or failures are gonna happen? No, and people get this really twisted with the manifesting journey, and then because it didn't happen instantly, another myth, or there is that challenge, they're like, this stuff doesn't work. Your manifestation journey gets to activate your unique path and your unique pace. When we just see, it has to be instant, and we do live in a very instant gratification world, the beauty of some of our manifestations is it's gonna activate the trust in divine timing and the trust in the seed of the desire to blossom and grow and bloom into a beautiful garden that, like any planting of a seed, everything will take a different amount of time, energy, rain, soil to grow and to blossom, right? So that's why, yes, be open to some manifestations happening like that. Definitely have happened in my life. Love it. Yes. But it's not growing your human when it just does happen instantly. Yes, it will activate trust in like ease, and 1000% we want to be open to that, but not every manifestation is going to happen like that. So where the manifestation journey really starts is connecting to what your desires are, what your dreams are. I call them heart's desires. And I really feel like we are gifted heart's desires to lead us, to move us, to guide us in this human journey. It's another way to tap in deeper to yourself and connection to your intuition. That's where I really feel it. I've connected to desires from the heart. What do I mean that they're meant to move us, lead us, guide us? Because this is the thing. Your desires aren't just, oh, that's what I have, so it just has to happen. It's, again, the journey of it. The challenges or struggles or initiations that come with the manifestation of that desire coming into fruition. So if we're just working with a desire in a very surface level way, we will just be our part. And when you have a desire to manifest, it's not only being your part by thinking the thoughts and aligning your beliefs, visualizing, journaling, scripting. That's amazing. That's being your part. But just as we have feminine and masculine energy, right? Just as we have harmony of two poles, right? We can always go to one spectrum of a pendulum swing, just being your part, while on the other end is doing, the over-giving, overworking, right? Doing too much for your manifestation, where you're burning out, you're now acting out of alignment, right? An example of this is when I was on TikTok and my desire was to impact and reach as many people. I was overdoing it, creating so much and burning out and creating for just trends and the algorithm and views, versus a harmony of creation out of intention, out of intuition, this sacred connection, versus hamster wheel of more, enough. In this center of manifesting, of being your part, doing your part, there's a harmony in the center. And we can all swing from one pendulum to the other. Each desire will have a different harmony of doing and being your part, right? Because you can just really put it out in the universe, and what you connect to when you activate your intuition to that desire is this is just a trust. And it's activating just trust and detachment. Detaching from overgiving, overdoing, overcooking. Like you can overcook and overbake a pie. You can overcook and overbake a manifestation. And what does that create? Stress and fear and what's wrong, I'm not doing it right. That manifestation, that desire is just being. So this is the beautiful thing when you connect to each heart's desire. And a lot of people are like, can I manifest more than one thing at a time? Absolutely. Absolutely, you can. When I'm saying, yeah, let's manifest our best life, manifest your best life, look at all different areas that contribute to that. Environment, business, work, relationships, right? Like, how do you actually want to feel about yourself, right? It's your best life, which again doesn't mean no challenges, failures, slips, falls, and not instant, because you can still enjoy the journey, enjoy the process. If you're not enjoying the human journey, and manifesting gets to be part of the human journey, what's the point? What's the point? I did a really great video on how desires can become your demise, and don't work with the sacredness of manifesting in a powerful way, and it wreaks havoc on our inner world and system. I'll put that in the description box below, because it is a very powerful video. If you're coming to this and it's just like you're not enjoying the journey. So when you really set out the declaration, I'm ready and willing to do and be my part for your desires, this will activate intuition. It will activate the guidance of what steps to take, the aligned action, which will then activate bravery and courage to take that action, right? Because some manifestations are going to really ask you to step into your bravery and your courage. And then some manifestations it's going to weigh more on the being part, for you to step into patience and trust and self-belief and detachment of time and how and the results and the outcomes. And another key insight about manifesting is why some manifestations aren't happening, coming into fruition, or there is healing of your inner world for the holding of that desire. And I say it like a physical holding, but like holding it in your heart, experiencing it. So for example, for love, this desire for a loving, divine partnership, if you have wounds of abandonment and rejection, the activation here for healing is the self-love. the wholeness, that you're complete on your own, so that you're not looking for someone to fill the void. Rather, they're going to amplify what's already within. For money, if there's money wounds and limiting beliefs around money, the upgrading, up-leveling of your subconscious beliefs and neural pathways for money, and the energetic opening of your heart and your field to receive money in all ways, activating that openness, that receptivity, clearing any guilt or shame around having money, holding money, receiving money. A lot of us have receiving wounds, right? We could want something, but then it's like, oh no, I can't take that. I can't accept that. Oh, I'm really talented and have so much to offer and give, but I can't charge, right? Worthiness blocks. For impact and success, healing, clearing, shifting, fear of visibility, fear of judgment. And a lot of souls can really benefit from working with their inner child, right? If when you were younger, you were really stifled to play and make your own decisions. Obviously, as a child, you can't make all of your own decisions, but if you're always told, you have to do this, you have to go there, you have to play this sport, you need to get straight A's in school, it's like, well, I don't even like this subject. No, you have to do it. It's like, oh, okay, now there's perfectionism and there's this pressure. Really, how you operate in your system, it becomes your normal. Then this like having fun and enjoying the journey, you can't connect to, because it's like, well, when I have the very thing, then I can feel the good feelings, the success, the joy, and then it's just gonna be very short-lived. And we hear this all the time. But going deeper with that, it's like, well, how can I actually activate the enjoyment, the fun, the excitement along the way? Well, you get to heal, clear, shift, transmute the blocks, the limiting beliefs, the energetic resistance, the locked emotions that counter the joy of the human journey. Manifesting is just such a powerful portal and gateway to a deeper connection to yourself, to connecting to parts of yourself that, are shadow aspects, that are just yearning to shift, deeper connection to your soul that is supporting you along the way for your desires. Like, what is the whole point of this human journey, you know? There's obviously many points, but to tap into your power, your magic, your true self, to really feel alive. I really feel manifesting has opened that up so deeply for me, and I know it can for you. Connect deeper to your intuition, to your higher guidance, to a deeper connection to life. That when challenges and mishaps happen, you can navigate and move through them and gain the resiliency, the strength, the gifts from the very challenge. When you allow your manifestations, your desires to activate, you're truly on that journey, that divine human journey, where you're in alignment with your true self, your unique path and pace, and you get to be in your own energetic lane. I'm so excited to continue to support you in manifesting, activating parts within you. I trust that these key insights and common myths around manifesting will activate different parts within you, activate your own truth, and bring that sparkle and magic and power back into the manifestation journey, back into your human journey. Till next we meet.